Our comprehensive business and marketing course is designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge needed to thrive in today's competitive landscape. Our course is Chartered Institute of Marketing CIM Accredited Study Center and an Institute of Data and Marketing IDM Key Educational Partner. This means you can earn exemptions from CIM and IDM professional qualifications alongside your degree, giving you a head start in your career. On this course, you'll gain a deep understanding of the various business and marketing disciplines and how they intersect in real-world scenarios. Our course is structured to provide you with a holistic perspective on the business and marketing environment. The core modules cover a range of business disciplines, providing you with the essential knowledge required to succeed. Through specific modules, you'll explore the impact of organizational, political, social, technological, cultural, and ethical factors on businesses. This knowledge is invaluable in navigating the complexities of today's global markets. Our contemporary content and assessment strategy enhances your digital and employability skills. This innovative approach ensures that you not only understand the theories, but can apply them to real-world challenges. The way we deliver our teaching shows commitment to your success. Our simplified block learning timetable allows you to focus on one subject at a time, providing more time for engagement, faster feedback, and a better study-life balance. Our course is designed with employability in mind. Previous students have secured roles in brand marketing at Goodyear Dunlop and Puma, served as sales interns with Tata Technologies, and excelled in product marketing at Vauxhall. A degree in business and marketing prepares you for a whole range of career opportunities. You may decide on a marketing-focused career such as digital marketing, brand management, customer management, or market research. We believe in shaping not just successful professionals, but well-rounded individuals ready to contribute to a just, peaceful, and sustainable world. An exciting journey where education meets opportunity. If you would like to find out more about the business and marketing course at DMU, you can contact our inquiry team or come visit us at our open day. You can find all the details on our website, and we look forward to seeing you soon.